Good morning, everyone. It's been a while. I've attempted to vlog so many times for the past few months, but I never end up posting them. So I'm finally gonna attempt once again. Hopefully this time I'm gonna post this video because it's December. I'm finally on my Christmas break. Yesterday was my last exam day and I'm finally free for today or for the rest of the weeks. So I'm excited and I'm trying to do a Vlogmas, like a 6 days of Vlogmas thing, because I've been doing it since 2017. I think 2017, 2018, and 2019 I did 24 days of Vlogmas. And then last year when I started med, I did 12 days, and this year I'm gonna do 6 days at least. So yeah, today we're gonna go to a party. I already did my morning routine. I made the bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I'm gonna show you my skincare routine later on, but I'm gonna fix the rest of my room and then I'll update you after what else I'm gonna do for today.
Set up pa lang yan. Mamaya, pag di na, okay na yun.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna do my makeup because we have to leave by 4 or 4:30 because we're going to my aunt's house since there's gonna be a party or something. So yeah, gonna do my makeup now.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
Hello, I just got home. It's almost 12:30 a.m. So we got home so late. We just went to my aunt's house because it was my cousin's birthday, and also we decided to celebrate my dad's birthday, my tito's birthday. I think 4 people had birthdays for December, so that's what we celebrated for today. And since I just got home, I plan to do my skincare tonight, which I want to show you because I've been doing this for like a week now and I've been loving it. I've been breaking out recently because this week was my exam week and I think I've had like 2 to 3 hours of sleep lang for the past few days. So yeah, I've been breaking out, especially on my forehead, and this skincare routine really helped my skin. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. It's only 3 steps, so it's super fast and easy. Also, this is how my makeup looks like after... Wait, what time did we go there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 hours. What? 8 hours? I've been wearing makeup for 8 hours now, but it looks so nice. Yung nawala na lang yung lippy ko. I was wearing like a lip tint, but my makeup looks so nice still, and I don't know, it's been so long since I wore like a full face of makeup and I'm really loving this, but now we have to take it off. Since I wore a full face of makeup today, I first use an oil cleanser to remove my makeup. And even if I use an oil cleanser already, I still like using a second cleanser. So for my cleanser today, I'm using the Face Republic Calming Acne Salicylic Cleanser. So this is a gel type cleanser which is perfect for dry skin girls like me. And this has salicylic acid, cica, green tea, and tea tree extract. So this is really nice to wash off impurities without stripping off the healthy oils of the skin. Okay, I know I said I only do 3 steps, but that's when I don't wear makeup. And a while ago, I was wearing a full face of makeup, so I had to use an oil cleanser first, and then afterwards, I use the gel cleanser I just showed you. And now, for my 2 steps, I use a serum first. And this is really good for blemishes, which I've been having. So I still have this one spot on my forehead, but I used to have a lot here near my eyebrow and my nose. Since I was breaking out for the past few days or for the past week, I decided to try this one out, and I think after 2 to 3 days of using this, I really saw a difference on my skin. So super love this, and now let's apply. And sakto, when I got this, kakaubos lang nung previous serum na ginamit ko, I think in one of my last skincare videos. So I just use this much, like 1 whole drop, and then I use this for my whole face. I think I forgot to mention it, but the serum I'm using right now is the Calming Blemish Medeca Serum from Face Republic, and this consists of Centella asiatica, eucalyptus, and tea tree leaf extract. So this is really good for treating acne and blemishes without drying out the skin, and you know I have dry skin. And then for my last step, I use this one. This is called their Face Republic Calming Spot Oint Gel, and I think this is my favorite out of the 3, but I love all 3 together because I just really feel like it makes a difference if you use all 3 together. But if I had to pick one, this is my favorite. I think this one is the best pimple gel I've tried yet. I think after 1 to 2 days of using this, I already saw a difference. And I'm convincing my sister to use this because she has a lot of breakouts, and hopefully it works well for her. But personally for me, it really worked well. As in, I had like a breakout here. I think I still have it, but it flattened after like 2 days of using this one. And then also sa nose bridge ko, meron akong pimple pero nawala agad. And then I had another pimple over here na was about to develop, but it stopped after using this. So I highly recommend this if you were to get just one product. I think this one's the way to go. But again, I feel like just together, this line just works really well for breakouts. And yeah, let us use this, and hopefully mawala na yung nandito sa forehead ko. I just put on the spots I feel like I'm gonna get breakouts soon, just to prevent it also. But honestly, I don't need much anymore, unlike the first few days. I wish I did a before and after. I'm just putting it all over my face just to prevent breakouts, because I feel like I've been using old makeup, so baka magka-breakout ulit ako, so let's prevent that. And honestly, that's it. That's all I do for my skincare now. I feel like the less products you use, the better for your skin. Well, I think that's the case for me, but I hope it works for you as well. I'm gonna link all the products down below if you want to try them as well. If you're having trouble with the breakouts and all that, I feel like this skincare line is the best for you. So hopefully you try like all of the products or at least one of them. Again, I highly recommend this one. This is my favorite out of the 3. I think ito talaga yung ginagamit ko every day just to prevent my breakouts and also to reduce the breakouts I already have. So yeah, that's my skincare, and then I think I'm still gonna vlog the rest of the night if ever. So yeah. I'm just reading before going to bed. Oh no, so cute. I usually don't like it when the guy says baby, but why does it work in this book? You don't even call me that. I don't know. I don't even remember you saying it to me. And when you say it, it's like jokingly. It's not like how they say it here. It is already 3 a.m. and I was just editing this video that you're watching right now. I'm not yet done. I'll just finish it tomorrow because I'm kind of tired and lazy and I don't know. Feeling ko ang bagal ng laptop ko right now, so I'm just gonna continue it tomorrow. So I'm gonna read a book before I go to bed. The book I'm currently reading is The Deal by L. Kennedy. I think I'm like halfway through the book already. I started this yesterday because I just got it yesterday. This is one of Anton's Christmas gifts to me. I got it early and yeah, that's how much I've read. I'm in chapter 18. I'm loving it so far. It's not a 5-star read, but it's pretty good. So far it's like a 4 stars, but we'll see. Hopefully I end up liking it more than a 4-star, but for sure not a 5-star. Yeah, I'm just discarding with Anton because that's like our routine now. But anyway, I'm gonna end Vlogmas day 1 right here. Hopefully I get to keep making Vlogmas videos, or like I hope I get to vlog every day, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it for this video. Bye, good night.